Hi guys, I'm gonna show you guys this Fed-4 camera that I have. This is one side, this is the other side, this is the top, and this is the bottom, and this is the back. Sorry, this is the back. Interesting. Okay, so gonna show you the light meter first. So you can see the light meter, the needle. Let me show you. So covered. See, it works. So light meter works. And then now I'm gonna show you the shutter itself. Okay. Gonna take out the back to show you. Something fell off. Oh, it's an old piece of film. Okay, anyways. So this is the camera itself. 500 shutter speed. I'll show you the condition first. So yeah. Okay. $250. Okay. Oh, sorry. Just now 500 should be this one. I think they need to realign the speed thing, but okay. So that was 250. Now it's 250. And then 125. And then 60. And then 15. 108. 1/4. Half. This is 1 second. Now I think it's flash mode. Flash mode, which is 30. Then bulb mode. So yeah, all shutter works, just that to do 500 you need to put it in this position. And you put in this position, you get 500. But yeah. Alright, so all shutter works. Seems good. If you find this camera interesting, you can reach out to me. I can sell it to you. And if you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you so much everyone for watching this. See you guys next time. Bye. God bless.